Huevos a la Mexicana. A delicious Mexican breakfast recipe. This recipe serves to 2-3 servings. Preparation takes about 10 minutes. And cooking takes around 15 minutes. Here is what you'll need. A half cup white onion, 1 to 2 pieces serrano chili, 2 large Roma tomatoes, 1.5 tablespoons vegetable oil, 6 pieces large eggs, a half teaspoon kosher salt, a quarter teaspoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon whole milk, 2 tablespoons fresh cilantro, a quarter cup queso fresco. Step 1. Begin by prepping all your vegetables. Ensure the onion, tomatoes, and chilies are diced uniformly to ensure even cooking. Step 2. In a medium bowl, crack the 6 eggs. Add the salt, pepper, and the optional tablespoon of milk. Step 3. Whisk the eggs vigorously with a fork or whisk until the yolks and whites are fully combined and slightly frothy. Step 4. Heat a large non-stick skillet over medium heat and add the vegetable oil or lard, swirling to coat the surface. Step 5. Once the oil is shimmering, add the diced white onion. Sauté for 2 to 3 minutes until it becomes translucent and fragrant. Step 6. Add the minced serrano chilies to the skillet. Cook for another 1 minute, allowing the heat of the pepper to infuse the oil. Step 7. Stir in the diced tomatoes. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally, until the tomatoes soften and release their juices, creating a light sauce in the pan. Step 8. Reduce the heat to medium-low. This is crucial to ensure the eggs stay tender and don't brown too quickly. Step 9. Pour the whisked egg mixture directly over the sautéed vegetables in the skillet. Step 10. Let the eggs sit undisturbed for about 30 seconds until the edges just begin to set. Step 11. Using a heat-resistant spatula, gently push the eggs from the edges toward the center, creating large, soft curds. Step 12. Continue folding the eggs gently for 2 to 3 minutes. You want them to be just barely set and still look slightly moist, as they will continue to cook from residual heat. Step 13. Remove the skillet from the heat immediately once the eggs are no longer liquid but still glistening. Step 14. Taste and add an extra pinch of salt if necessary. Garnish with fresh cilantro and crumbled queso fresco while still in the pan. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.